Talk now. So. Conor, you need to fight now. Come on.
Бей его!
Болевой сделай!
Эй, 2 минуты!
Сломай руку! Сломай руку! Сломай руку!
Hey! I'll take a point if you knee him in the head. Keep your toes out of the fence. Toes out of the fence.
Okay, it's those low singles coming from halfway across the cage now. You can spend the first minute just getting your recovery. So push him back with your jab.
Cain Velasquez style! Cain! Cain!
Hey, watch that. That's the back of the head. Keep fighting. Keep fighting. Keep fighting.
Listen, can you punch hard and go for the takedown? This is the 4th round. Drink some water. Drink some water. Here.
No, too much water.
That one was. The other ones weren't. The other ones were here. Conor, that was to the back of the head. Stay inside the rules. Don't get me in here.
Эй, Khabib! Эй, позицию не теряй! Не теряй позицию! Одна рука снизу! Не теряй позицию!
Up.
Выпал я тебя! Выпал я тебя!